So we have a 2013 RZR 800, had a fuel pump issue. So we went ahead and ordered a Quantum Fuel Systems fuel pump. You can see it right here. So we'll go ahead and do a quick install. It's pretty easy. Any DIY can do it. Pump the seat right here, handle. Pull it out. You got a plug and a fuel line. Gently, line comes off. Push the clips in on the back side. Pull it out. Comes out of the way. You got a big old nut on here. Just turn it. If it does give you resistance, get a screwdriver, hammer, smack it a couple times, she'll come out. Keep turning, pops out. When it comes out, there will be a level sensor in here. Figure out where it's at. You can see in the tank, you gotta come out the same angle as the level sensor. Let it drain a little bit. That's the old one. New one will go in place. So we'll go ahead and grab it. Grab a new one. Should come with. For a second. Does come with a new nut, new rubber. Put the new rubber on first because it needs to go below the fuel pump. Same thing, put the level sensor in, push it all the way down. There is springs that rotates it, and make sure it's going in the same direction as the plug you took off it. So it needs to go in this direction. Once you get in that direction, push down, new nut. Just like that. Plug it in. Pull off the cap. Put this guy down in. Push the clip back in, the retaining clip back in. You're done. And fire it up. Sounds much better.